The Renewing and Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. I purchased the one that has 19.5 ounce. Here's some of the details if you'd like to stop the video and read those. After shampooing, you put the conditioner into the hair, leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse the hair thoroughly. It's supposed to be eco-friendly. Here's the ingredient list. Not tested on animals. Here's the questions and distributor information. Here's what the conditioner looks like. It's pretty creamy. It smells great. Very clean. That's how thick it is. I'll be using this conditioner with just a regular cheap clarifying shampoo, so any magic that happens will be all the conditioner. The conditioner did make my hair very shiny. My hair had some buildup on it, so I was trying to strip it with the Suave shampoo. The Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner, as you can see, left it shiny, bouncy. It does better when I flat iron it or use a curling iron on it, because it does help to flatten down those split ends and that dryness on the end. One thing I don't like about this bottle of shampoo is the bottle design is top heavy. So even when there was a lot of product in there, I would turn it upside down and try to get some out. I'm having to dump it to get it out, so I had to store it upside down, which is a small consideration, but that was the only negative thing that I really found about the packaging, that it could be designed better. But again, I liked when I started using it at first with the stripper shampoo. That sounded bad, didn't it? With the shampoo used to strip the previous products out of my hair. It did leave my hair shiny, bouncy, as you can tell. Then I tried to leave the conditioner in and just let my hair kind of air dry a little bit and put some of the conditioner on the ends. And I actually use another product they have called hair butter. Put some on the ends to see if it would make it curl up a little bit. And it didn't really, but you can see where my hair is the least damaged on the top. It does better. So if your hair is not really badly fried, this is probably going to be a good product for you. If you'll look in the text below, I'll have a link for you so that you can get this product or one very similar to it. Thanks for watching. Consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel.